Well, we're going to take a look around to see just how much destruction all this cold weather's had on basically everything. So this is the aquaponic garden, and I did have to shut it off for a couple of days. And these fava beans were thriving, and as you can see, they're dead now. Now it's possible that the roots could be alive still, and it's possible that it might still throw up some more fava beans, but the tops are definitely done. Yeah, let's move on to the next spot. So this is the hoop house, and those are my mustards back there, and at least what's exposed is pretty much done. Again, the roots could be alive, but the tops are done. The lettuce, done. It turned this dark green because it froze. It's just like in your refrigerator, it's done. It'll turn to mush here. I doubt the roots of this survived. These are pretty much finished. These are some more mustard seedlings that I had from some store-bought mustard. They may have survived. They haven't changed color. They're looking kind of poor, but they actually got pretty good sunlight to help keep them warm during the day. These are my green onions. They probably survived it. Onions are pretty tough, just like garlic and stuff. They're actually kind of built for this. This is a leaf broccoli. I'm betting most of the outside leaves are done. However, inside there, maybe not. It's possible that these survived. Yeah, on to the next spot. Alright, so this is one of my kale plants, and these got frozen solid, and the leaves are starting to kind of, I don't know, they feel a little mushy, so I doubt any of these survived. Maybe the very tips here possibly, but I doubt it. Again, it's possible that the roots survived and it might send up some more stuff, but kale is built for the cold weather, but it's not built for as cold as it got. What's left of the peas, probably no good, probably died off. That's all right. These fava beans, although they look better than the other fava beans, are probably finished. The radishes, they're done. Those fava beans, probably done. Yeah, it's looking like pretty much everything. On to the next spot. Alright, so this is one of the garlic beds. Now it's entirely possible I may end up losing these tops, but that's okay. As long as the roots are in good shape, everything will be fine there. This is a leftover cabbage. Hard as a rock. This is my other garlic bed. And again, the cabbages or the garlic will probably be fine. I have a couple of leeks there, a couple leeks down there. They'll probably be okay, although they'll most likely go to seed now. The lettuce is done. That lettuce is done. The cabbage I already harvested all the cabbage. Yeah, there's not much left. On to the next spot. This is a type of mustard. It's looking pretty sad. It's probably done. These are probably finished too. Look at the leaves. They're actually changing color. I thought maybe the collard greens got through. No, they're done. It's from ruptured cells. Yeah, they're done. These are finished. The cilantro, probably done. More kale, definitely done. These flowers, probably done. Oh man. The tops of the mint are looking pretty sad, but mint's pretty bulletproof. It'll probably come back. The oregano, again, it's in the mint family. The tops are looking pretty sad, mushy, but it's likely to come back. As long as the roots stayed even a little bit alive, it'll come back. The thyme back there, pretty bulletproof. It'll probably be okay. Sage, although it's looking kind of sad right now, it'll probably be okay. This is rosemary. It's looking really sad. I'm hoping it comes back in the spring. So yeah, everything is pretty much done. There's not much left to look at. Man, this sucks.